All right, Nick Newton is going to bring them around. They're going to pick up speed. Here they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's a good start.
Here comes Ashley Matz.
Tiger working her way into that second spot. The 86 hit of Alex Adams, alongside with Bart Brockman and the 2X of Justin Meckel. That was a little fun going into turns 1 and 2.
And the J10 car, Nick Newton, breaks out. He's going to get the black flag this time by. So Ashley Matz is our new leader.
Bart Brockman right next to her.
Ashley Matz doesn't know he broke out, trying to figure out what's going on.
And that leaves room for that 70. Nelson Imports of Bart Brockman. He's had an interesting year as the 86 hit of Alex Adams getting entangled with the 42 of Jeremiah Senko. Matz in second, Foster in third, Pearson with a little bit of smoke. We've seen that smoker car before in fourth. Mickel in that 2X still in fifth. But dropping fast as Dwayne Lounsbury has worked his way back up there. Roadrunner champ.
So it's Bart Brockman, followed by Ashley Matz, the 76 of Lucas Foster, and here comes the 5E of Eric Pearson, followed by Dwayne Lounsbury.
And they're coming up to the punch bug.
And here comes Matt Petrozelka in the 57 car.
Matz and Foster were side by side in that last straightaway to the turn. Foster pulls ahead of Matz. Pearson right alongside Matz. Lounsbury right behind them. Petrozelka in that 57 has worked his way up there as well. Polak in that 95 car trying to work some damage around the 01 of Mac Hastings. Doesn't want to get shark bitten.
And Petrozelka looking to make it 3 wide on the inside. Lounsbury trying to go through the middle.
Matz takes it high on the wide side. Lounsbury's sticking middle. Pearson doing a good job of staying pace with that smoker car, but it's Foster that's trying to chase Brockman right now.
Yeah, Bart Brockman, a regular here at the Rockford Speedway, having a great run so far. But here comes the 76 of Lucas Foster, and Matt Petrozelka is right there with them. Here comes Eric Pearson.
Top 5 still a mystery. Dan Sander in that 4X dipping out. 15 machine of Tracy New as well, checking off the track. Mike Maheron in the 03 dropping pace really fast.
Here comes Matt Petrozelka.
Brockman in that 70 machine holding on to the lead over.
The 57 car, Matt Petrozelka, just broke out here, so Matt Petrozelka is getting ready to get the black flag in that 57 car.
Foster still in second. Pearson now third. Lounsbury has worked his way into the 4th spot. And Dan Schmeising now in your top 5.
And now the 507 car of Katie Wilson breaking out. Breakouts happening everywhere, Eric.
Yeah, they're all getting excited. Last feature race. It's been a while since these cars have been on the track. They've got an itchy, heavy foot as Brockman continues to lead. Foster in that 76 second place, but Eric Pearson creeping in there. Team car winner. Had that thing fully decked out. And Schmeising right on his tail. Lounsbury after.
So it's Brockman, Foster, Pearson, Schmeising, and Lounsbury. Schmeissing looking to try to get ahead of Pearson as the laps are winding down.
59 of DJ Hurwitz off the track. Oh, Todd Snow in that 144 got a little squirrely. Way to keep it rolling. 3 wide into turn 3. Pearson trying to hold off Schmeissing.
So it sounds like the 2T of John Triggs is now broke out as well. John Triggs
7 off.
the black flag, and Dwayne Lonsberry dropping to the inside. Not sure what happened to Dwayne.
Roadrunner
John
champ.
Triggs getting that black flag.
Yeah, he's taking it all the way off the track to 22 of Lounsbury. The battle out front. Brockman and Foster. Fosterman, Brockman, Pearson, and Schmeissing. Those are the 4 we're witnessing in your top 4 here. Jeremiah Schenko in the 42 machine now in 5th. Brockman and Foster along the backstretch in the turns 3 and 4. Pearson and Schmeissing right behind them. What a nice 4-pack out front. Foster trying to get Brockman on the backside. Can't do it yet. Pearson wants to get around in that 5E. So does Dan Schmeissing, but they're all stuck. Stuck behind Foster and Brockman. Schmeissing now in 3rd as Pearson's dropped just a smidget. 22 in. Brockman over Foster on that lap. Todd Snow continuing to have problems on the back strides with that 144 in turns 3 and 4. White flag is out. Brockman and Foster are door to door in the 1. Pearson and Schmeissing behind them. Who's going to do it? Trouble here in the back. Flag is out. Brockman's not going to be able to get around that. We'll see if they give the win to Foster. Lucas Foster in the 76 machine had a clear way around that 92. Then he ran into the 144. And that set an ugly final lap in here. Brandon Johnson in that 92 machine over here smoking. We'll make sure he's okay over here as the Metro Ambulance down here. But your winner of the Double B feature